Okay, so this is a pit style conveyor. I do have the drawings for this as well. And has the rubber, so it's steel on the bottom, but then there's rubber over the top. That way any little pieces of small copper don't fall into the steel. So it's got a rubber belt over that steel. So it goes up into the ring mill. And then on the bottom I have an oscillating conveyor. So this oscillating conveyor, pan feed conveyor, it's counterbalanced. So these two, as this one moves forward, this one moves back, so it's very little vibration on the floor. And that's not in a pit, that's actually on ground level, just below the ring mill. And then we have a chute here with some dust cover. So this is all hinged, so this can opens and close. Everything's covered with plastic right now because they power washed everything. And there's the belt going up and over. And then here we have the overhead magnet here, just a drum magnet, and it pulls, the way we have it set up right now, it pulls material up and over onto this conveyor, brings it away, and then all the non-ferrous falls down on that conveyor, and it just keeps going down to the eddy current and all the downstream. So, and then the steel comes out of this conveyor here. So that's the current setup. I do have a control panel that would also be available if you wanted that separately. So just let me know on that. But we have the control panel currently controls the conveyor, this ring mill, the oscillator, the outfeed conveyor, and it also controls that overhead magnet and this conveyor. So those are the items that are controlled out of that panel. Basically everything from here back.